Yeah, so we're here at the Blackpool Pleasure Beach today. Got for the reopening of that one up there behind us. You can see it up there. Yeah, for the launch pad opening day. Set to be a good day. We've got some nice weather. There's a lot of people here though, so it'll be interesting to see how many rides we get on. You get some nice on-ride footage as well. So yeah, let's get in there. Right, we're on our way in. Launch pad reopening event. Looks like we've got a little show on as well. Oh, lovely.
Prosecco.
Thank you.
Here we go.
Thank you.
Prosecco. Yeah, please. Here we go. Enjoy your day.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, good, thank you.
Hello.
Now the Prosecco, mate.
Don't mind if I do.
Astronauts have arrived.
See, the astronauts are here.
Without further ado, it's now my great pleasure to introduce the CEO of Pleasure Beach Resort, Amanda Thompson, OBE.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to a very sunny Blackpool. I need you all to take one look at that sky because you may never see it again. It's not often this sunny for so long here. But I have to say that we have to be one of the most sustainable parks that there is, because I and all the team here spend a lot of time taking care of our rides, and actually reimagining is good for our industry. Really good, really powerful for our industry because it's sustainable, and it really, really helps parks reinvent things, reimagine things. I know everyone wants something bigger, faster, newer, but when you do something like this, it becomes new again, and it's something to really shout about. And I really, really advise everyone who works in parks to take a good look at perhaps redesigning areas of parks, really taking a good look, because that's really good for our future, for our industry, and really understanding that sustainability is very, very valuable. And I would like to say a huge thank you to all of you here, because you're all designers, you're all fabulous at what you do. And I just need you, anything you want to say to me, you just say. And if I can, I'll do it. But I can't promise everything. But I love being with creative people. And for me, having TEA here today is magnificent. And it's a huge honor that we could actually open Launchpad today. I can tell you that was not planned. That is an accident, but a great one. And I think it's fantastic that the press can see so many people from around the world enjoying Pleasure Beach, because it really shows what an international park it is and what value it holds within the industry, because Pleasure Beach has been here since 1896. That's a long time. And I think a lot of people from around the world maybe not have visited here, but now today they're here for the first time. So we're bringing people from around the world to spectacular Blackpool, and I think that we're going to have a great day today, and I hope that you all enjoy your time here, whether you're from the press or from TEA. Have a fabulous day at Pleasure Beach today. Thank you all.
And we're in the queue. Hey! You ready to go? You ready? Hey!
Okay, pre-launch checks have been completed. Initiating system startup.
So here we go on launch pad.
Ready?
Ready?
All systems go. We are ready for launch. Stand by.
Hold on that. I don't know.
Hello, yeah.
5, 4,
I'm not ready!
Oh no.
2. Okay, pre-launch checks have been completed. Initiating system startup.
So here we go on launch pad.
Ready?
Ready?
All systems go. We are ready for launch. Stand by. Countdown commencing. 5, 4,
I'm not ready!
2.
That actually really got me, that dude. Those people say it's not that forceful. I'm looking off camera, that was definitely.
It's not that forceful, but clearly don't have testicles.
Oh my god.
That's just pack a punch, that's it.
Yeah, that was so. Yes, it's approved. Yeah, definitely recommend that one. That is so good. Oh yeah, so we just come off launchpad. It's a bit of a hectic rush to try and get on there then and get the cameras all set up and everything. Oh my god. It doesn't. The countdown is a bit unpredictable. You don't go like literally on zero, but along that because you don't know exactly when you're going to go. And anyone that reckons it looks slow off ride, go on it. That is so forceful. That caught me off guard. You probably see from my POV actually that my camera just disappears. Like it's so forceful. But yeah, such a good ride. We're going to try and get back on, I think.
Commencing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. Launch checks have been completed. Initiating system startup.
There we go.
All systems go. We are ready for launch. Stand by. Countdown commencing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2, 1.
That's so good. Such a good feeling apart from the beer as well.
I thought we weren't going to stop. That's a good picture that on the side there.
Gosh. There's got the merch here. Cool. Got the bags. Got the Launchpad t-shirt. I'll show you the back in a sec, but I would prefer the logo on the back. We all agreed on that. Definitely would have looked better if it had that on the back. A bit like this. To do like this. £56 this one is there. That is nice though. And there's your prices. Yeah, so there we have it, the Launchpad reopening. that is way more forceful than I thought it would. We're not staying here for long today. We're just going to take Ali onto Icon, because weirdly he's never been on Icon before, have you?
No.
That's crazy.
No.
But yeah, so we're just going to get on that, and we're going to get over here today. But they've done a really good job of the rework. With the same revolutionises the ride system. Really has. It's like, that's so forceful. So I can't explain it. Everyone's saying it looks slow off ride. It's really not. So I really enjoyed that. And obviously I'll have chucked in here the on-ride POV stuff. I tried to film what I could. So whatever I got will be in the video. Yeah, catch you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.